as you can see, my brows are already done. I've cleaned my brows as well. I'm going to go ahead and use this lipstick, and this is the Beyond Beauty lipstick in number 42. I'll be using this as a base for my crease. Using this palette like more often has given me, it has made me realize how pigmented this palette is actually is. So next I'll be using the So what I did was to use Ewaronke's glitter in Belle, in the shade Belle. It's a pink, it's a baby pink color, and then I use her glitter glue as well and just put it on my half cut crease. So this done, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, then I'll be right back to finish up the rest of my face. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite thing about this look is. This is a very long time since I last did a cut crease. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and of course turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on fun content from my channel. Until my next video, guys, take care.